gonna say hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Be good.
You're being good?
Being
Oh,
good.
that's good.
That's a good answer.
Are you putting on your shoes? No. Are we gonna go camping?
Yeah.
Are we camping?
Mm-hmm.
Are we gonna go on a hike? Where are we going?
Hike.
Yeah.
Water. Picnic.
We have a picnic? Yeah.
And then we will come back soon.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can see the babies over there.
Yeah.
I always see the babies.
Okay, good. Who got you that ball?
What is this? I can read it now.
Say thank you, Uncle Chris. That was so nice.
I like
Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
I can stand up and
After you put your shoes on, right?
oh, I
See?
Say bye-bye to the camera, Mija.
Say that
Bye.
stuff. Oh,